Hi friends, once again. We are at the course of Vardavrd River in the west of Tehran. As you can see, this is a typical river located in an arid and semi-arid region. And you can see that this is an open channel with the water flowing from upstream area towards the downstream area. I'd like to also mention that during summertime this river is quite dry and we do not have water at all, which is usually during the hot season, let's say during the warm and hot season from July to October, and during the colder season, which is actually winter and autumn, we do have water running, but not all the cross section of this river is full of water. If you can see the cross section of this river, in some parts we have water and in the other parts we don't. So but in summertime we do not have water at all in this river. So this is the reason we call it a seasonal river and not a perennial river. Thank you. Okay, right now, just behind me, you can see the mountains. So it's a mountainous area. This river is actually located in a mountainous area, and you can also see runoff flowings from the upstream area towards the downstream area. Over there, you can also see the river piers. You can also see a bridge with several piers around the river course. In other words, there's an intersection between the natural river and artificial or man-made structure. A normal thing in urban settings when a river passes through a city.
What we are going to see and understand by continuing our tour in this river, as you can see, is inevitable urban constructions along the river and crossing structures, bridges and roads which have led to disposal of construction debris along the river and inside the bed, producing a very bad view. Moreover, urbanization and bridge piers protection have imposed to the channelization of the river for transferring the floods, leading to the changed morphology of river reaches located in the city. As you can see here, there's a rectangular cross-section playing a main role for transmitting the river flow and huge floods.
Okay, you can see the drops constructed in the river route. These three drops, the first, second and the third drop, these are actually standard drops. But unprincipled, non-engineered drops can also result in hydraulic jumps in the event of huge floods, so that increased speed and stress of the flood flow may accelerate erosion in the riverbed. What you can see at the downstream area are the civil works being carried out besides the river fringes. What we expect you to learn from this session is that in line with river restoration objectives in urban areas, we strongly recommend avoiding these kind of strengthening and channelization with hard and solid structures. If we have to build a channel to transfer flood downstream, we can use natural materials like stones instead of solid ones such as concrete for urban riverbed and bank protection. Another point that I should mention is protection of crossing structures. When a river and any structure like a bridge intersect each other, since one of the main objectives of the Urban River Restoration Project is to secure river safety and resiliency during flood situation.